Hello everyone, this is Sneha and this is the day 6. Let's learn English with me. And today it's a very cold day. I think I don't want to record a video, but I think I can do it. Okay, and today it's a very chilly day. Today it's a freezing day. And the air is very cold. And this is the sentence how to say the different way that it is a cold day, and someone wrote a comment to create a video, and the topic is the nature. I think it's a very good idea. So let's start it. Let's talk about the nature. And one thing, you are also suggest me any topic. So you are also suggest me a topic. What is my next video? So let's talk about the nature. Nature gives everything to us, and gives us oxygen, gives us air, food, etc. Okay? But what we do back to us? Nothing. No, it's all wrong. We give many things to the natures. Just like, for example, we give the natures pollution, global warming, deforestation, plastic bags, and etc. A lot of things we can give to the natures. That's so great. But we understand that Albert Einstein said that look deep into nature, then you will understand everything. And that is a very impactful line. And second is our conversation is about that. Just we talk about the one tree and as much as possible. And because I have not any script, so just talk about that one tree. What is the possible things we can take to the trees? So first of all, we planted a small seed. We planted a small seed in the soil and just care about that, just to give the watering, just to give the it's a sunlight, and that's to care. First of all, we care our plant, and then plants grow slowly, and just to make the plant, that is the slow process. But this process is we can learn many things. Just like that, if you want to improve your English, so it's take a little time. So patience. So nature is we can learn nature, that is important. This is the patience. If you want to learn any skills, so just take the patience. So let's respect and our nature, that is a very important. And to do the different to adapt to start a small habit, just like clean our environment, shave and planted our trees. That's a small habit, just like in the present time, that's not can see the impact, but in the future, that small habits is a great impact. So, and nature teaches us many things, that is the patience. And thank you so much, guys. Thanks for listening me, and don't forget to like and subscribe my channel.